Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase website speed with Bluehost, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin increasing your website speed with Bluehost, first, log into your Bluehost account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Sites section on the dashboard. Select the website you want to optimize for speed. Click on the Manage Site button for that specific website. Now, head to the Performance tab in the Manage Sites section. Here, you will find various performance enhancements offered by Bluehost. Consider enabling the dynamic caching option if it's not already activated. Dynamic caching helps serve content faster by storing copies of your web pages. Next, look for the Breeze Caching plugin. If it's not installed, navigate to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Search for the Breeze plugin and install it. After installation, activate the Breeze plugin. Now, go to the Breeze settings to configure caching. Enable the options for caching static files and enable gzip compression. Gzip compression reduces the size of the files sent to the user's browsers. Next, return to the Performance tab in your Bluehost dashboard. Check the Content Delivery Network (CDN) option. Using a CDN can significantly improve your website speed by delivering content faster from servers near your users. Enable the CDN if it's not already active. Now, let's look at image optimization. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Media section. Install an image optimization plugin like Smush or Imagify. These plugins help compress images without losing quality. After installing your chosen plugin, follow the setup instructions to optimize existing images. Additionally, when uploading new images, ensure they are in the correct format and size. Another vital step is to minimize the use of heavy themes and unnecessary plugins. Consider switching to a lightweight theme if your current theme is too resource-intensive. Next, check for any outdated plugins or themes and update them regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.